What's up? KZ Guy 2 here, No Nonsense Know How. Today I'm working on this 2005 Ford Escape behind me, and I'm going to show you real quick how to replace the fuel pressure sensor in this. I'm using an OEM Bosch part here, and I'll put a link for it down in the description if you want to buy it on Amazon. I'm going to run through this super quick, so give it a thumbs up, comment, and maybe even subscribe if it helps you out. This is going to be on the Ford 3.0 dual overhead cam engine, but this goes for many newer Fords. They're all very similar. You might have one of these 5 codes if you want to pause that and check that out. This one happens to have the p0193 code. Now, not going into too much detail here, but some preliminary checks you're going to want to do are pop this connector off here by pushing down on the top. Look at your pins, make sure they're not corroded, make sure the wires aren't chafing, kinked, or bent at all, you know, where they would be broken. Check out your vacuum line. Pop this off, start the engine, make sure you have good intake manifold vacuum here. Should be around 18 to 20 inches of vacuum. And then go ahead and check these lines, make sure they're not broken anywhere. Going back over to the intake here, you got the bottle on the back, and it goes over here too. You can see that people have done some repairs to these, so make sure those vacuum lines are in good shape. 9 times out of 10 on these Fords, if it throws a code for the sensor, you need to replace the sensor. So again, if you need further diagnosis, check out some other videos on that, but just showing you how to replace it with some quick tips. It's going to be best to do this on a cool engine after it's been sitting overnight to reduce the fuel pressure. Start by disconnecting your negative terminal, 8mm on that. Now pop your vacuum hose off, the connection off, put some paper towels under here, throw some safety glasses on your face so you don't get fuel in your eyes, and zip these 2 8mm bolts off. Now slowly wiggle this up until your fuel starts coming out. Let that pressure spray out and then pop this thing off. You can see the fuel's boiling in this one because this car is very hot. So wipe this top area off, make sure that's nice and clean. Wipe some light grease or motor oil on that O-ring and go ahead and plug that baby right back in. Make sure to wiggle it so you don't tear the O-ring. Put your 2 screws back in and snug them down. A little dielectric grease on the electrical connection. Put that right in those terminals there. Plug that sucker in. Put your vacuum hose back on. And you are done. It's nice to see this Bosch part is actually made in Germany. Pretty sweet. Don't forget to hook your negative terminal up if you took that off. Now I'm going to clear the code out with my scanner, drive this thing, and make sure the code doesn't come back. I won't post this video right away. In case it does come back, I'll chime back in here. After driving this for 2 days, all monitors are ready, passed emissions, no check engine light, and she gets a sticker. As always, if you give the video a thumbs up or subscribe, hugely appreciated. And again, check out that link down below if you want to buy the OEM Bosch part. Till next time, this is KZ Guy 2, No Nonsense Know How, and you enjoy the rest of your day. I know I will. I'm about to grab my boat and go hit the river.